Hello everyone, this is Santosh. Welcome to my channel Code and Swift. This is the part 2 video of auto layouts tutorial. In this video, we will learn how we can use constraints. Without any let's get into the video. Open Xcode project. Create a new Xcode project. Select single view app. Click on next. Give your any name. I'm just giving auto layout part 1. Part 2. Make sure you select language as Swift and user interface as storyboard. Click on next. Select your destination folder and just selecting desktop. Click create. Open main storyboard. I'm just dragging a button onto the screen. I'm just giving a name. First, we will see without giving constraints this button, how this button will look like in other devices or different devices. So I'm just designing in iPhone 11. Let's see in iPhone 11 first. Here it looks perfectly fine now in the same device which have designed in iPhone 11, and I'm running in the same device. So what I will do, I will try to run it on iPhone SE, which is smaller screen than iPhone 11. Let's run and see. See, this is not in the center of the screen. Let's see iPhone 11. See, are you getting difference between these two devices? It is in the center of the screen and it is not. So to avoid this problem, we use auto layers. So how we can assign constraints? In the bottom of the screen, just look at here. This is the pinning symbol. You can see add new constraints. Through this icon, we can assign constraints to the button, and as well as we can do it alignment like horizontal in the container or vertical in the container through this button. And this is the button when we want to clear constraints for a particular button, we use clear constraints here. You can see selected view. If you want to remove all the constraints from the screen, then you can use clear constraints here. So I'm just selecting the button. What I will do, I will click on this alignment button and I will select horizontal in the container and vertical in the container. Add two constraints. That's it. So it will be exact in the center of the screen. So let's run it and see. Let's do it in iPhone 11. looks perfect in iPhone 11. Now we will change to iPhone SE second generation. See, it is perfectly fine on iPhone SE device too. Let's see the difference. This is iPhone 11 and this is iPhone SE 2. See, in both devices, this button was aligned centrally. Now, if I don't want this constraint, you can just click on this button and clear constraints. So constraints will be gone. Okay. Now I want this button to be appeared in on the top of the screen, like here. So what I will do, I will just select this button and click on this pin symbol. Right. This is from top, this is top, and this is leading, and this is trailing, and this is bottom. So what I will do, just giving constraints from top. Safe area, you can notice this here. This is view and safe area. What are these? Let's see. Safe area means here from this is status bar. You can see time and battery indicator. So under this status bar, everything is safe area, like here. You can see the difference. Just give a background color. I will I'm just deleting this button for now. I am taking another view onto the screen. What I will do, I will give constraints to this view. Here you can notice here we are getting some guidelines. Here you can see blue line in the top. From here it is safe area, left here and right, as well as bottom of the screen too. Here. This is the safe area. We can give anything. We can also give other than safe area, but it overlaps on another. So what I will do, I will delete this and I will add button again. Okay, now we will give constraints to this button. Just click on this pin button, give constraints. I'm giving 100 from top. I'm just giving from safe area. You can give it from view also, it's your wish. I'm just giving from safe area, and from left I'm giving like 50. From right I'm giving 50. We shouldn't give bottom constraint because it will stretch the button towards the bottom. So I'm just giving 3 constraints. Just run and see. iPhone 11 can see, and we will run it on SU2. You can see in both devices it is working fine. So this is how we can give constraints.
In the next video, we will create a simple sign-up screen using auto layouts. So we will learn more in that video. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.